Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am hopped up on some high-octane caffeine. Yes, that's right, I do even modify my coffee. Feeling it this morning. My son and I were on the way to work on a vehicle the other day, and then, so he was like holding a cup of cereal of mine, and I just wanted to be kind of a jerk. And so I decided, hey, I'm going to take this turn really, really hard and tell him not to spill it. And then the idea hit me like a freaking ton of bricks. The game of cup. So here we are with our piece of junk clapped out BMW. Let me introduce you to the game of cup.
What we have here is a sibling rivalry. We're going to pit brother against brother for a crisp $20 bill. What better to motivate children? All right, so check this out. I've been thinking about this for a while. First of all, you'll be strapped in. We obviously need to be safe. We're going to be on a closed course, and I am a professional driver. Ish. So I'm going to attempt to drift around this course while they spill the least amount of liquid out of the cup. So whoever has the most liquid at the end of 3 laps wins the $20. There's not much that is more fun as a parent than humiliating your children. So this is truly a deep joy welling within my soul. All right, so Liam's in here now, and Liam, this is what we're going to do. These are going to be the rules. You're going to be strapped in. So Christian, hold the cup up. You cannot exceed the dimensions of the footprint of the seat, okay? All right, we're gonna do 3 laps, and whoever has the most liquid at the end of the 3 laps wins the $20, okay? Plus, furthermore, whoever wins can fill that coffee cup up with water and try and throw it at me, and I have 5 seconds to try and escape you, okay? All right, so what do you guys think about that?
I'm not
Sounds
gonna be able to
good.
hit you.
Don't get so excited.
I'm not gonna be able to hit you.
Good. Safety third, kids. All right, so look, this is a very scientific measurement here. We're gonna go 1 thumbnail from the top, okay?
No.
Oh yeah, it's gotta be very, very, very much towards the top. Ooh, ooh. All right, yeah, pretty much most of a 16 ouncer. There you go, 2 hands, bud.
Oh my gosh.
And it has to stay over the seat. If not, you get penalized 1 ounce.
What?
You got me? Look at, you're about to spill it already. All right.
I'm gonna spill when we're doing donuts. I just know it.
Ironically, as we were planning this, Liam kicked over a cup of coffee this morning. Are you ready?
Not really. I'm not ready to spill water on me.
Come on, man! This is for $20. Okay, you gotta beat your brother. Come on, give me 1 pound here. Come on. You gotta beat your brother. This is what it's all about. Are you ready?
Yes. How do you do this? Hey!
Gotta keep it over the seat. Gotta keep it over the seat.
Oh gosh.
Where's Michael? You're doing great, Liam.
No, I'm not. Oh my god. This is
How you doing? What's left? What's left?
Yes, barely. It might be a little wet. It's just soaking wet. I barely got anything left.
This is a great game. I love this. Man.
It's just a little wet. Just soaked everywhere.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna mark it and we're gonna say he is to my knuckle and my middle finger. It's very scientific.
Oh my gosh.
It's just a little soggy, come on.
I didn't think he spilled that much. I couldn't hear you guys.
At the end of this, we're gonna call y'all the Soggy Bottom Boys. Alright, so we're going to this highly scientific fill right there. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, you've already spilled it. What are you doing? Alright, nope, you gotta fill back up. Mommy was saying I should probably top it all the way off. I kinda like that idea. Drip down too low.
That's sucks.
Great, kid. Oh my, that totally messed me up. Oh, we gotta keep going. Oh. Turn up again. All right, last lap.
Oh yes.
Oh, she got the death shake. Oh no. What's left? What do you got left?
It's kind of easy now. When we're done, I'm throwing this on you.
All right, here we go. Last turn. Way and time. Oh my gosh, it's so close, seriously. Down on my knuckle and I'm not touching the water where it was. Hey. Good job. Give it, Jeff. That was awesome. All right, so Liam, you're the winner.
Really?
I said Liam gets 5 seconds to spray me. All right, I'm gonna be on this concrete patch, so I can run anywhere in this concrete patch right there. All right, look at that. Yeah, he can get me. Do this like Christian's gonna say go, and you're gonna run, grab the hose, and you can spray me 5 full seconds, okay? That thing shoots pretty far, okay? So look, you gotta be like draw. We're gonna do this like Old West style, all right? Go.
I got a kick!
He got a kick in the hose. Woo!
Go.
You gotta kick in the hose. Woo! Go! Let's go!
Ready? Go!
You guys both had equal fair chances and all that. Liam, you were the fair winner. 20 bucks. I think it was well worth it. Awesome job. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please check out our merchandise. It really helps support us and be able to do stupid things that entertain you. God bless all the people that are out there fighting for us to give us the freedoms to be able to screw off and stuff that doesn't even matter. You guys are doing what really matters, so thank you for what you guys do. This has been a hell of a lot of fun. Definitely making some good memories with my kids. Hope you guys can do this and possibly even modify the game to be even more fun. If you guys have any better ideas, please say something in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, we've got tons of other shenanigans. We've got a subscriber donated Crown Vic. We've got a cop car that makes 700 plus horsepower. We've got my dad's car for some nostalgia drag racing. All sorts of stuff all over the map. We got my wife's Escalade that pulls the wheels. Check it out. Hope you guys enjoy the channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Also, check us out on Instagram. God bless you guys. We'll see you later. What, nobody wants to sit up front? No. I've said it many times, he's kind of like a Ken doll for dogs. And if you ever saw a chick magnet, or if you ever see him in person, he's a chick magnet. And he has the heart to match it. He's really sweet. He's a snuggler. He's definitely lazy. He's really slow paced. Norman doesn't have a prayer of actually getting the ball. He's terrible at catching. He's kind of like that super good looking jock in high school that people knew, but he really sucked at actually doing things. Here, so let's show his catching skills. Come on. Yay! Did you see that air? Come on, Jericho.